Hello students, today I will teach you your topic polynomials, exercise number 2.5 and your page 54, question number 7. What is your question? Evaluate the following using suitable identities. So first question is 99 whole cube. So here you have to apply the identity a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3a into b into a minus b. So first of all, your question is how much? 99 whole cube. So first of all, this question you have to express in according to identity. So how can we express? If you subtract 1 from 100, then you get 99. So now you see a minus b whole cube. It is now according to identity. So now according to identity, here a is 100, b is now 1. A minus b whole cube is how much? A cube. So a here 100. So 100 whole cube minus b cube. B value is how much? 1. So 1 cube minus, as per identity we have 3. A into b. A we have 100 into b. B we have 1. Next, into bracket of a minus b. That means 100 minus 1. So 100 whole cube. That means how much? 100 whole cube means 100 into 100 into 100. So you will get how much? 0 how many times? 6 times. So 100 cube is 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 minus 1 cube. That means 1 into 1 into 1 is how much? 1 minus 3 1 is a 3. 3 into 100 300 into 100 minus 1, or you can write like direct 1 0 0 0 0 0 minus 1. Now you multiply, do multiply. 3 1 is a 3. 3 1 is a 3. 0 how many times? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. That means 300 into 100. That is 30,000. Minus into minus plus 300 into 1. 300. Now you add the positives. Arrange the positive 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 300. Minus 1 minus 30,000 is minus 30,001. So it is, you add this to 1. 1 0 0 0 3 0 0 minus 30,001. Now you do subtract. 1 0 0 0 3 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 3. Do subtract. You 1 carry over, it become 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Here 9 is there. Here 2 is there now. 2 minus 0 2. 0. It will be 0. Now from 10 you take 1 carry over, it become 10. 10 minus 3 7. Here now 9 is there. So what is your result? 9702999. So next we will go to the next question. Now we will learn the question number 2. So what is your question? 102 whole cube. So here you have to apply the formula a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus c a into b into a plus b. So now according to identity we express this part 102. You have to express according to identity. So we know 100 plus 2 is 102. Now you see here a is here 100 and b is how much? 2. Value of a 100, value of b is 2. So a plus b whole cube. Now it is according to that identity. So as per identity we have got first a cube. So here value of a is 100. So it should be 100 cube plus next b cube. B value is how much? 2. So 2 cube plus as per identity we have 3. A into b 100 into how much? 2. Then into a plus b. A is 100 plus b is 2. Now 100 cube. That means 100 into 100 into 100. 100 cube means 100 into 100 into 100. So it will 100. How many times? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, which you have got already in lower class about square and cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to is 4, 4 to is 8. Plus 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 100 is 600 into 100 plus 2. In the next step, you will do multiply this part. 600 into 100. 6 1 is 6. How many 0 we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 600 into 2 is 1200. So now you see all the digits here positive. So direct you add. Add this all. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then you add 60,000. Then 1200. Then 8. This is 80 is 8, 0, 2 plus 0, 2, then 1, 0 plus 6, 6, 0, and 1. So what we get our result? 1, 0, 6, 1, 2, 0, 8. Now I will teach you the next question. You see, the question is factorize each of the following. Number 1, a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So here you have to apply the identity x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square is x plus y whole cube. So this identity you have to use in this problem. So here you see the first in the identity x cube, it is in cube form. So here in your question this 8 is not in cube form. So first of all we have to write this a whole cube in cube form. So we know that 2 cube is 8. So that means 2a whole cube is 8a cube plus b cube is b cube plus as per identity you see, as per identity we have 3 into x squared. So here we get value of x how much? 2a. So 2a whole square into y. Y value how much? We have b. Plus next, as per identity again 3 x y whole square. X we have how much? 2a into y we have b. So that means b square. So x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square. Now it is in according to that identity. So it equal how much? X plus y whole cube. So what we have? X value here 2a plus y is b. So 2a plus b whole cube. So this is your factor. 2a plus b whole cube means 2a plus b into 2a plus b. So now I will teach you the next question. Now we will learn question number 2. You see the question: 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Here you see minus is there. That means the negative one formula: x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3x y square is equal x minus y whole cube. So we have to apply that identity in this problem. So like previous one, here again 8 is not in cube form. So here again you see 2a whole cube. 2 if you make cube, then you get 8. A cube is a cube. 2a whole cube is a cube minus b whole cube is b cube minus, now as per identity we have 3 into x whole square. What we have? X value 2a. So 2a whole square into y. Y value we have b plus next as per identity we have 3 x y whole square. X is we have x value we have 2a into y whole square. Y value we have b. So now you see it is in now identity: x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3x y whole square. It is now according to that identity is equal what? We have x minus y whole cube. So what we have? X value? X value we have 2a minus y value we have b whole cube. So 2a minus b whole cube means 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. So now we will go to the next question. Now we will learn the next question, question number 9. So what is your question? Verify. You see question number 1, x cube plus y cube is equal x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So you have to verify this left hand side is equal to right hand side. You have to verify that both sides are equal. So here we solve right hand side. We solve right hand side, then we will get this left side. Any side you can solve. Just you have to prove that left side is equal to right side or right side is equal to left side. So we will solve right hand side to get left hand side. Right hand side is what? X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So now you see by this x, this whole term is multiplied. X into x square minus xy plus y square plus by y. Also you multiply this whole term, x square minus xy plus y square. Now you do multiply. X into x square, we have x cube minus x into xy is x square y plus x into y square x y square plus y into x square is x square y plus into minus minus y into xy x y square plus into plus plus y into y square is y cube. Now you see x cube minus x square y plus x y square plus x square y minus x y square. Now you see this one x square y, this one negative, this one positive. X square y minus x square y becomes 0. X y square minus x y square. You can cancel. If you do subtract, then you will get 0. So what we have now? Only x cube, then plus y cube, which is, you see, the left hand side. So hence it is proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side, that x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Thank you.